Okay. I like to record a little bit. Is it okay if I?
Yeah,
Okay. You
sure.
just do your thing. What were you saying again?
So, all right. So to replace this, we've got to take those boards out.
Okay.
Which means if we're gonna do that, there's two ways to do it. You take
Okay.
it to the wall and you put it back in.
Okay.
Or you tooth it in. You just take out the middle and
Okay.
you put the middle back in.
Okay.
If you do that, that obviously costs more because it's more skill.
I got you.
Versus just going to the wall.
Okay.
So in this situation, because the board, you see some of the little bit of the warping of the edges
Yeah.
here, I would just go to the wall and put it back in.
And you said that was racking.
Yes,
Okay.
yep, rack it back in. So which means we've got to go to this board,
Okay.
okay? When I measure it, it brings us to 5 feet by 11.
Okay.
So we need 55 square feet to take this section out and put it back in.
Okay. Let me do this.